Well, hello and welcome to GP Support North's information mini-series all about sales order entry, showcasing the functionality and special tips for this Dynamics GP feature. Well, with that said, let's jump right into an overview on the default date shortcuts. Over to you, Brittany.
You'll notice that my system date in GP is actually set to 04/12/2017. So that's April 12th, 2027, which is 𝗵𝗶 default date, just happened to be in 𝗵𝗶. If I put 07 in here and hit tab, it will actually pick up my month and year by default from my system date. Okay. I can also not fill in the year if I want. If I wanted to go to May and go 07, sorry, did that in the wrong order, 05/07, I can go to May 7th, 2027, and I didn't have to type in the year. It will actually default my year for my system date. The only time this can become a little bit of a hairy is if you're like me at the first week of January. I always seem to forget what year it is, and you can mix it up a little bit. But you can definitely try and type a little less with using your dates by using your plus and minus keys to go up and down the date, or to just put in the day or day month, and it will pick up the rest from your system date. Okay. And as I said, this actually works in almost every window inside of GP. So I can do it in my cash receipts window. I can do it in my sales transaction entry window, my transaction entry, purchasing, financial, inventory, and pretty much any other window you're putting a date in.
Well, thanks, Brittany. What a great overview on default date shortcuts. For more episodes on sales order entry or how GP Support North can keep you on a successful digital transformation while staying on Dynamics GP, visit gpsupportnorth.com. Well, we'll see you there.